Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a new Venmo account. The first thing I want you to do is launch up your Venmo app, and then for example you can choose either personal or business. I'll choose personal in this example, and then you can tap on sign up. Then just enter your phone number, okay, and then you can send a code. They'll send you a 4-digit code which you need to enter right here. Once you've entered the code, click here on submit code. Then you need to set up your account. Basically, give your information, your legal first name and last name, put a username and email, type in a password, okay? And then make sure you toggle this one on to basically say that you are at least 18 years old and you agree to these terms. And then just go ahead and tap on next. Come here, tap on agree. And if you have friends you can connect to or sync them, go do that. Or you can skip for now. You can tap here on done. And then if you want to allow notifications, you can do that. In this case, I'll just tap on not now. And there you go. You have created a new Venmo account. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.